In this video, I'm going to show you several different ways to uninstall an app on your Chromebook device. So let's start with the first method. The first method is you have to open the launcher menu. And after that, you have to right-click on the app that you want to uninstall. You can right-click, let's say, on this an app that I have on my device. And I can click uninstall and click uninstall again to confirm the uninstallation process for that app. So that was the first method. Another method you can try is by using the settings page. So go to the launcher menu, click settings, and after that go to the apps menu right here, manage your apps, and you can select the app that you want to manage. So in this case, I want to try to uninstall the app called VIA, and you can click the uninstall button. And again, you can click uninstall to basically remove the app from your system. So there is still another method you can try to delete apps, which is via Google Play Store. So I'm going to close this setting page and I'm going to open Google Play Store. And here you want to select, or you want to tap on your profile picture and click manage apps and device. And after that, you want to click manage, and you will see that make sure to enable running or using this device. So you don't want to select this option, you want to select this option. So this will show you all the apps within this device. And now you can see that there are 17 apps that I have on my Chromebook device. And if you want to uninstall any of them, you can just click on the app and it will open the app page on Google Play Store, and then you can click uninstall and you can click uninstall to finish the process. So that's basically how you can all the methods you can try to uninstall an app on your Chromebook device. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.